Hello my esteemed viewers, you are welcome to V Tutorials today. Today I'll be showing you complete settings of a camera, precisely D60 camera. I will show you how it works and its other settings. If you check it out, this is a D60 camera, boldly written here, and a product, a company of Nikon. I will be showing you a lot of things on this camera today. Some of the basics is good for beginners, total beginners. You don't need to have any previous knowledge. Complete novice can make use of these settings and it will be fine with it. I will be showing you how really it works today, starting from the lens. If you want to replace your lens or you want to pull the lens for another lens, there's a little clip here. You can hold it down. If you hold it down, then you hold your lens very well, then you roll it to the right. You roll it to the right, then you remove it. You can see I've separated my lens. I can replace it with another, or I can still fix the same lens back. If you check it out, there's a little hole here and there's a little pin here, so they must come together in the same place before it gets right set. So let's fix our lens backs. Make sure fix it like this, leave the button, then you roll it and you hear a little sound that it has been fixed. And you see the lens figure is 55 lens, 18 to 55 lens. If you check it out, this is for auto, this is for manual. We normally leave it on auto because if you put it to manual, your picture will be blurred, it will not be fine. And in this place too, there is what we call the VR. The VR tool must be always off so that your lens can work perfectly and nice. So let me quickly take you into the camera. Before that, let me show you these buttons. There is manual, there is auto here. We normally use manual and auto here. And I normally use the manual because I have a speed light lens that is capable of taking a very bright pictures. And if you don't have a speed light lens, you can use an auto. You can use an auto during the sunlight. You can also use the P during the sunlight. So on this occasion, I'll be using the manual. If I'm using the manual now with the speed light, it's going to be very nice. This is what the shooter. This is on. And this is off. In this place you can set up the aperture and the others. So let me take you quickly to the screen of the camera without delay. Here, if you check it out, there are a lot of buttons listed here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 buttons listed here. The first one is the play. This will allow you to preview your pictures you have shot previously. This is the menu where you can take the whole settings up, and this is the zoom in, this is the zoom out. On this zoom out, you'll be able to set up your camera through the aperture, the brightness and the others. So let's go through quickly. From here, you on your camera, as you said a couple of minutes ago. You come to this place, you press this and it will take you to those settings. Then you start. From this place on the right hand side, I would like to show you how the image quality used to be set. Press this place. You see, from this place you can choose how you want your image quality to look like. There is normal, there is basics, there is also fine. I normally use fine because it's always the best. You click OK, then you come to this place, you see image size. In image size you press OK. You can take it to your large, being in the large, or you select any other one. In the large you have 7.3 MB, which is for this precise camera, which is D60 Nikon. And in the M you have 4.1, and in the S you have 7.4. I normally leave it at large because this is the highest figure it can take. You press OK. In this place you show you the white balance. Press OK. It's advisable you always leave it on this icon that look like this. You press OK. On this ISO, there's what we call an ISO sensitivity. In this ISO sensitivity, it will show you how your brightness level will be. If you could leave it on 200, it will be different, but I normally leave mine at 400 because I have a speed light that is corresponding with this very figure. Press OK. You go to S, all those ones you go to S. This is what we call an aperture. I'm leaving this one at 5.4. I'm leaving this at 5.4 because I have a speed light that is going to work with it. And there's what we call an AF, and others. The other ones are not that vital. So I take you to the land scale side. You see this. There's what we call the active delighting. This active delighting will take you and there is what we call this flash compensation. This compensate the flash. We can add some figures here. Maybe you can depreciate the value by down using the navigator key down. You can also increase the value of the brightness using the navigator key up. But I normally leave this at 0.0 because I have a speed light that is capable of working with that. You press OK, and on this place I'll be working with these two. This is what we call the exposure compression. So on this occasion I'll be kind of increasing and decreasing the figure using the same navigator's key. So that will be all for this. So I'm leaving mine at this because these very settings you can change yours to your own suitable form. I'm using mine as this because I have a kind of speed light that's capable of working with it. If you could check it out, this is an outdoor picture taken with my own preferred speed light, and it's a kind of nice and sweet. So I'm going to stop you here today. If you like this video tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. And in the next video I'll be talking about this menu completely, how the menus work. I'll be walking you through step by step on how the menus work. If you go to the menus, you see how optimizes image quality, image size, white balance, ISO sensitivity, all together, all there. Please subscribe to my channel so that I'll be able to join you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.